Okay, so Assalamualaikum, Brother Hilman.
Waalaikumsalam.
So, thank you for coming today. So, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nur Aisyah Sofia, Human-Computer Interaction students under the Kuliah of Information Technology. So the reason why you're here today is because I would like to assess some usability testing among our target user, which is the IIUM community for this prototype. So basically, our product is called Safety, which aims to solve the problem of theft and carelessness among the International Islamic University Malaysia community.
Okay.
Hence, we have created this application where students and staff can keep their money and at the same time also enable them to transfer or pay via transactions. With this application, they do not have to bring their wallet anymore. And since every individuals will always have the smartphone on their hand, this application will make it easy for them for their daily transaction in the campus. So basically, our focus is more on the cyber security under the secure transaction process.
So it is accessible for general or just for IIUM community? Or?
Okay, so as for now, our focus is more on solving the problem within the IIUM community. Okay, back to the question. So can I know how old are you?
I will be turning 22 this August.
Oh, okay, 22. Okay, sorry. Okay, so since you're a student, which kuliah are you from?
I am from Kuliah of Architecture and Environmental Design.
Okay, so can I know when was the last time that you actually use online transaction?
When was the last time? I think it was last Monday.
Last Monday,
yes,
okay.
Last Monday.
So how often do you actually use this system?
Yes. Yeah, I think I usually use it for 3 times a month.
3 times a month.
Yeah.
Okay, so can I know, have you ever actually used an e-wallet before?
No, I usually use online banking.
Oh, okay. So how often do you use this online banking?
Usually I will use it for once a week, I would say.
A week?
Yeah.
That's quite rare.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yes.
I don't think.
Because personally, I use it twice a week.
Maybe just for me then.
Okay, you're special then. Okay, so back to the question. What application do you use if I need to help you with this task?
What do you mean by application?
I mean the online banking that you use. Because since you don't use e-wallet, right? So which bank do you use most of the time?
I think online banking lah.
What bank?
Islamic bank. Online Islamic bank, yeah.
Oh, Bank Islamic, you mean? Bank Islamic bank?
Online Islamic, yeah.
Okay, so can you...
It is the same though.
No, it's different. Okay, so please describe your experience with the above state tools. Your experience of using the online banking.
So far, I think online banking really helps me a lot because usually when I like to try to buy something or do online shopping, it will just, you can just access your phone and you can open the web and you just type and then the transaction will be proceed as usual. So it is quite helped me a lot since I don't really have much time to like go to ATM and then withdraw the money and then go to this, go to there. So yeah.
True. That is basically one of the benefits of using the technologies. So you may proceed to use our prototype here. So you may use the prototype now.
Okay. So where's the register? Oh, okay, here. So you got username, email, password. Okay. Usually the term of use and privacy policy, you can click on it. So you can see the detail for the term of use. So, okay. So this is my main page. Okay. So here is my account. Okay. So this is for reload. Okay. Oh, you have the option. Oh, why so little option? Card detail, bank detail, tracking number. Okay. Oh, okay. So what's for the other one? Oh, same little option. I see that both are the same and not very different.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so this is for the pay. Okay. Oh. Oh, you have. Okay. Wait. What was that just now? The pay. So what is this? What is this about?
You can click if you want to figure out. Yes, it will redirect you to the profile.
What do you mean? What? So basically, if I'm like verify this, the verification will pop into my email. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, and then you need to click it from your phone.
So I need to choose. I think it will be better if you can insert the code instead of giving the option of verify number.
Okay, thank you for that.
Yeah. So transfer. Yeah, the same. 3 verification. Oh, there's not very much different. I mean, like it is the same for the pay. So you have discount. Okay. It is quite interesting since you have the. So is that it? Is that all of it?
Yes, that's all for now.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you for your experience and time just now. Okay, so can I know when you log in, what are the first thing that you would like to do? And is there any other way to complete this task? You can use this.
I think for the first part, since I'm a new user, so I will be creating an account.
Okay.
Yeah, but here I cannot click it, so I cannot see the detail of the term of use and stuff.
So you're expecting to have the term. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so you're expecting to have the terms and condition rules.
Yeah, so we can see the detail for the agreement and stuff.
Okay. Okay, so do you think is there any other way for you to complete this task? I mean to create an account.
I think no, it is. I think it is the same for the other.
Do you mean quite direct?
Yeah, it is quite direct. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for that. For this application, what part of the website of the application do you use the most, and why was that?
I would say the pay. Let's say here for the pay section, I will use likely for the pay section a lot, since when we use our phone, so we'll be carrying it and just pay using the pay scan. But yeah, the thing is there is no barcode scanner for the camera. You see here, it's just when you try to pay, you insert the amount and then just go to the verification, which I don't think, like, where do you want it to pay, where the money goes to. So I think you need to add the QR code scanner, like, yeah.
Okay, so we'll take that into consideration. So for these features, what part of the application do you use the least, and why was that?
I would say I will use the account section, the list, because yeah, I don't think that the account section doesn't really need to use that much, because usually when you use the online transaction, you will need to check the balance, and that's all you need. You don't need to check the email, you don't need to check your password, your name, unless if you want to change your name, yeah, then you will go to this section. So I think,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. True. We'll take that into consideration. So, what is your experience of using this application? How do you feel about it? Do you feel safe or?
I would say I feel quite safe since your prototype have the 3 verification, as you can see in your prototype here. Let's go here, and then you have the fruits, and then the thumb, which is quite interesting since most of the apps doesn't have the fingerprint.
Okay.
And then you have this number, but yeah.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 5, how satisfied are you in using this application?
I would say at the moment only 3 out of 5.
Okay. Because of what?
Since it need a lot of improvement in this prototype.
Okay.
Yep.
So do you think that it is easy for you to navigate between sections?
I think it is easy to navigate because, yeah, when you go through it briefly, you can like easily know what you are doing, and you don't need the manual or like complicated things in order for you to click something, which is quite direct for these apps. It's quite simple.
Okay, so thank you for your compliment. I appreciate that. So, what is your thought on the design and the layout? Are the font and alignment is easy for you to read?
I think the design is quite nice. It have the contour, as you can see here, the contour color and the modern style, which I like it a lot.
So, do you have any issue with using this application?
Like I said before, the term of rules and agreement, which is at the register section, here.
Yes.
And then
The first one?
yeah, that's the first one. And then the second one, the reload, which is here. I think you need to add more option instead of just 3, which let's say I would like to reload 1000 into this apps, and you need to repeat the same, which you pick 200, and you need to repeat the same procedure for 5 times, which is quite troublesome.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Yeah, let's say, yeah, if we want to spend more, so we need to reload more. So
it's not going to be once a week. It's going
yeah,
to be daily transaction.
Usually I will just reload a lot once, and then just no need to check a week, once a week. No, just reload it a lot.
You are rich. Okay,
Yeah.
you can spend it to me sometime.
No lah. I for myself, I also cannot support myself. How do I support you?
Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for at least some consideration for that. So, okay.
Hey, there's more.
Okay, there's more. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Okay, that is the second part. Okay, so the third one?
Pay section.
Okay.
I think for the pay section, you need to like add the QR scanner for the pay, which you usually see at the restaurant where they have the QR scanner they put in front of their counter. So yeah, because I see here you just put the amount and then they suddenly verify. So I don't know how do you want to pay using these apps.
Okay, thank you.
And
the fourth one, okay.
Yeah, the fourth one, the transfer. So for the transfer, it's the same, but suddenly it went to the verification. I mean, like, where do you want to transfer your money?
Okay.
If I said I transfer to you, then you scam me. So I need to know where my money go. So I
Okay.
need to know where do my money go. So here I
Okay.
think you need to add like information for the bank detail
Okay.
for the third party. Yeah.
Okay. Great recommendations for things to fix. We'll take that into considerations. Okay. So, what are the things that you like the most about using this product?
I would say I'm very interested in the verification, where the second one, as you can see here, the second one, with you guys have the fingerprint verification, which has helped me a lot. Which mostly most of the apps doesn't have this type of what how do you say it?
Verification.
Yeah, verification. Which so when you guys have this verification, it's like you say a fresh type of apps. So yeah, I'm very interested in the verification.
Okay, thank you for that. So, on a scale of 1 to 5, how are you likely to recommend this product to your friend?
Um, from 1 to 5, I would scale it. At the moment, it will be 3, but after you guys have done some improvisation, I will give it. You will see, maybe 4 or 5 or more, maybe above 5.
Oh, great then. Okay, so I think, okay, for the last question, how frequently would you use this product if you were to into the e-wallets application?
I would say as the same as I'm using my online banking, since this will be how do you say it?
Considering the fact that you're going to use it in IIUM.
Yeah, it will you say replace the online banking. So instead of using online banking, I will use this apps.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think that's all from me. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. So
You're
that's
very
all
welcome.
from us.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, I am going to test my prototype, and you will provide me with your feedback. So let's start with about yourself first. What is your name?
My name is Mohd Affandi.
How old are you?
This year I'm 19 years old.
Are you a student or are you a working adult?
I'm a student.
Where are you studying?
I'm studying at Matriculation of Selangor, but right now I'm waiting for degree.
How often do you do online shopping in your life?
Depends. Sometimes I use the app, maybe like 3 times a month, but when there is promotion like the 7/7 promotion, I will use it a lot more because the promotion is very rare to get.
Have you ever used an e-wallet in your life before?
Yes.
How often do you use e-wallet in your daily life?
Uh, I will use the e-wallet app when there is a promotion, like every Thursday we will get a tea life promotion for the second cup, 250, or when there is an offer for Family Mart ice cream, $1 for the for the green tea ice cream.
So based on your example, can you tell me what application do you use?
Touch and Go e-wallet.
Please describe your experience when you use Touch and Go e-wallet.
The app is very easy to understand, and most of the feature really helps me a lot when going out cashless.
I see. Okay. So now, can you please test my application?
Yes, sure. So right now I have to create an account.
Yes, create an account first. Because this is just a prototype, you can just click register now.
Okay, sorry.
You can try to log out first, and then back to the main page. Then log in as you have created an account now, so you can just sign in.
Alright.
Okay. Now you have come to our home page. You can try all of the 4 features that our application provides.
Okay, so right now we'll test the account first. Okay, so the name, balance, email, and password is correct. It looks good. Alright.
Okay, so you can
Nice.
try other features.
Okay, next I will test the reload features. So for the method, I will choose online banking first. And make it first. Right.
And then this will be the part where you have to enter your card detail. But as this is just a prototype, you don't have to key in anything and you can click to continue.
Okay.
And here is the part where you have to insert your bank detail. Also, nothing for you to add in, so you can just click continue.
Okay.
Next is the verification. That a track code will be sent to your email and also your phone number. So once you have input your tracking number, you can click proceed.
Okay, so the reload status is successful. Now I will go to the home page. Now we test the features of reload with debit card. Okay, I will input 100 ringgit. Okay, so the step is the same as online banking. So I will just press continue. And it's the same as online banking also. Continue, and the verification is also the same. So I will proceed. Okay, so the reload status is successful also. Okay, I will go to the so right now I will test the pay features. Okay, right now I will pay, and I will pay with 160 ringgit. Okay, and confirm. So there is that which shows my favorite food. I will choose and hungry type in for the scan a verified number that will show on my phone. Okay, the transfer is successful. Oh. Okay, so right now we test the so right now we test the transfer features. Transfer. Okay, 160 ringgit also. Okay, right now we test choose my favorite food and it's number 10. Okay, and I will scan my thumbprint on the screen. Okay, and I will choose my verified number that is set on my phone. Okay, the transfer is also successful. Okay, I've tested most of the features in this app. Okay, what should I do now?
So after you have done with your transaction, you can log by clicking log out and then
Okay.
back to English. So that is all for our application. Let's proceed to the next part of the interview. Do you feel secure as you are using this application?
Yes.
What features make you feel safe in sharing your information?
The 3-step verification. Firstly, they have the favorite food favorite food verification, and then they have the thumbprint verification, and lastly, the number that we save on my phone will be the code will be set on our phone.
On the scale of 1 to 5, how satisfied are you in using this application?
3. I feel there is a lot of improvement can be made.
Is it easy to navigate?
Yes.
What are your thoughts on the design and layout?
Also, the design is very straightforward, and the step can be easily understand.
The font and alignment easy for your eyes to read?
Yes, it is straightforward.
Do you need a step-by-step manual to understand how to use the application?
No.
Do you have any issues with using this application?
Depends, because if I'm in a crowded place, I will use this app more often, because in a crowded place we don't know who will see our password, and by this three-step verification, it makes me feel safer, knowing that it takes much more than second step or one step only to get the payment done. And also, if I'm in a rush, I will not use this app, because it takes much longer process, and it will take a longer time for me to complete the transaction. But if I'm free, I will use this app because it is safer than others.
What did you like most about using this product?
What I like most about this product, because the structure of the design is very simple to understand, and it is just much more safer.
If there is one thing that you would want to improve regarding this application, what would it be?
I will improve on the QR code scanning, because nowadays in store, most of the place use the QR code scan for the payment to be much more quicker and much more faster. And to add the feature of automatic logout, so the information on my SafePay app is safe and only inside my brain.
Do you think there's any improvement that we can make regarding our create account page?
I think that is okay, but I think you should add the terms and condition, so that when a user use it and there is some faults in the system, they can easily sue you, as the terms and condition have backup if something happened in the account. So if the user blame you, and you can show them the terms and conditions, so you have a more ground to stand. Okay, and in this generation, a lot of users already put the implementation of terms and conditions in the system, so that it can help them to prevent from the user easily sue them. Okay, other question?
So for our reload page, do you think there's anything that we can improve on our reload page?
For the reload page, I think from the layout, there is no step, there is no method for the user to input their own amount of money. So if any user want to add 150 ringgit, they can just input the amount, so they can easily key in the amount they want to key in the e-wallet.
So you mean for us to give the user and a place for them to input their own amount that they want to put. On the scale from 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend this product to a friend?
3,
Why?
because this app, it is good, but like there is most of the app that is on the Play Store right now has a better feature and can be processed more quicker.
How frequently would you use this application?
Okay, maybe it depends, because if this app offers a lot of rewards, like maybe in a month they offer free Baskin Robin code, or maybe like 7 ringgit we will get 2 shampoo. I will use this app a lot more, because it makes me get a lot more stuff cheaper.
Okay, so thank you. That is all for our user testing. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
My name is Nabila, and today our topic, not actually topic, today are we gonna test and by an user of for the apps that we have made for our project, which is based on cybersecurity, and the the apps is based on secure transaction. So it is something like e-wallet, which we usually use, but it's something different. It has security options, which usually we don't get in other apps. So, so tell me about yourself.
My name is Mazmin Mahbub. I am a student and in IIUM from Kulia of ICT.
So, do you shop online? Like, how often do you shop from online?
Yeah, I shop online, but it's not regularly. It's once time in a month or week, like when I need.
So, how do you feel when you shop in online? Like, in which way do you shop? Do you think there is any need of an e-wallet?
Shop with you. Sometimes I shop with e-wallet and
Yes.
uh, Uh, sometime when I shop with in online, then sometime I use my credit card or e-wallet or debit card, and it's when I
Depends, right? Depends
depend.
on your
It's
need.
depend on me in depends on my need and on my mind also. Because if I
Okay.
want, then I pay with my credit card or e-wallet.
So, which e-wallet do you use? Like, what kind of e-wallet you have used so far?
Neteller, Scalar. I don't know
PayPal,
this.
Neteller, okay. Okay, so you have used those.
Hmm, yeah.
So, you use e-wallet in your daily life? Like, you use it in every day, or you sometimes, or you need it every day?
I don't need it every day. I use it sometime when I need this. Is for
Okay.
sometime I
When you use this e-wallet the most, like for which purpose
when
do you
I
use this e-wallet?
when I need recharge on my mobile. Uh,
Or to
when I
buy something from
buy
outside,
anything
right?
from outside, and when I
And to
move
travel
another
as
place
well.
from
Okay, okay.
travel, move another place from IIM.
So do you think we need an e-wallet in IIM which can give us security? Do you think so?
Yeah, yeah, because security is the most important thing. Because as we sometimes we adjust our credit card with our e-wallet, and for this
Why do you think
in
security
there
is important? Like, why?
because i- because there are many hacker in our world, and if a app did not give us a security, then and and hacker can
Can
and
easily
hacker
penetrate,
can
yeah.
steal our information from our app and
And
from
money
our
as
mobile,
well, I
and they
think, yeah.
yeah.
So, so, so what application do you use like to support your e-wallet?
Yeah, I I use e-wallet application and our
For
for
travel or
our travel to any place, and and for saving my money, for
to
taking
secure
my
your
money from
money?
the thief.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, from thief.
okay, for stealing actually. So, so what was your experience during when you used the application? What do you think about that app?
This app are so good. They can they
How they help
we can
you
purchase. Yeah, they help me. We can I can purchase as my money
whenever
with
you
one
need?
with a click
Very easy way. Okay.
when I need. It's on midnight or morning or afternoon. That's not correct.
That doesn't matter. Yeah,
That
that's
doesn't matter. Yeah.
actually basic reason we use. So can you start the prototype? You
Yeah.
just watch, look the first page. What do you think about the design and the elements, the buttons that we have used here? What do you think?
Design is so Design is so good, and the element pattern is also good. There I have no objection about the first page.
So you just click the sign in and check.
Okay.
Okay, so how about this page? Do you think it's easy to understand for an user when they log in or create an account? Do you think they can easily identify the nature of this app? What do you think?
When users are logging in this app, I think they can read easily and they can understand the all thing on this page easily, because here the app show the things is all things easily, because there this button are so good.
Do you think any more buttons or any other uh, navigation menu needed for this page?
I think there have not there do not need a navigation menu, but if you develop a system for recharge mobile, then this app will be better.
Okay, but I think that will be in reload option or okay,
Okay,
just continue. You just continue
okay,
to just try out the buttons and see.
okay. Now go and now I click the account button. Okay, your account button.
Do you think this page is okay for an user to understand what they need and what they are?
Yeah, this page is okay for understand, and but if you use the option their password change, then it will be better.
Okay, so go to the previous page.
Okay.
So you try the other menu.
Okay. Reload download. Ready to
So it's a
display.
reload page. So as you know what a reload page does. So do you think any more option or any button or anything that is not easily understandable and it's hard to get?
No, there are no option which a student cannot understand. The all option is easy in here. Hmm.
So any other thing? You have no objection in this page, right? For like you don't
Yeah.
find anything. Okay, so go back.
Okay.
So other menu, you the pay button, you can check. So what
Okay.
do you think about this page?
This page is good. Here are if you if you about the QR code, if you added a system with QR code transaction, then it will be look better, and
Okay,
it will be easy
for
for who for an end user.
okay. So you just try the button here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so what do you think?
This is good. There you add three step verification. This is a
This is
very
all
good.
the for the purpose of security. Okay, so you can go to the other page to check.
Okay. Here you need a here
Here
is
you will be
fingerprint
needing
for
a you will need a fingerprint.
fingerprint
Yeah, for the secure
for
transaction.
this is a good thing you developed it because it's a very very rare things usually I see.
Yeah, usually we don't have such kind of apps which has fingerprint, you know.
Yeah, I know.
So do you think the buttons are easy to handle? You can easily touch and like easy, do you think?
Yeah, it's a easy if
Okay.
when okay.
Okay, go to the other page. So this is the number to verify. It will come to your phone or email so that you can verify.
The one type of OTP.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a this is a good thing.
Okay, so you can go to the other page. Okay, so that's what. Do you think all the layout and all the um elements and everything is easy for your eyes to read, and the fonts and
Yeah,
alignment, everything?
yeah, this is everything are very easy to eye catching.
So you think anything we need to improve on that apps?
If you add a, a mobile recharge option in your app, then your app will be eh,
More
better,
effective for the students, right?
more effective.
Do you
Yeah,
think IIM student needs something more, some more options to operate to to easy for them to use this app so that they can easily use this app often
yeah. When I am a student,
for a travel something like this?
yeah, yeah. When I am student can want to travel or they want to uh, buy something from a shop, then if if they uh, if they pay their money with this app, then it will be better for their they can afford.
So do you think here this button like for the discount and cashback option is useful to the students? What do you think about this?
Yes, this two button is useful for student because uh, they take money from their parents. They do not any they
Okay, so
usually student usually uh, don't
doesn't have
income.
any income source. uh
As usually student
okay, so what do you think about these two options?
Good. This two option is really very useful because the student and have not much income source. They take money from their parents. For this, if they uh, get this discount and cashback uh, like
So that
from
they,
your app, from you for using your app, that's time they
so you tell me that, do you think you need a step-by-step manual to understand how to use the application?
yeah it's need because when a student open this app if they uh, find manual then they will understand and understand how
like they will easily understand how to use the app
Yeah, the
from the
yeah
instruction given.
um
Okay,
yeah
so do you tell me that how frequently do you use this app? Like, would
yes,
you?
I will use this app often because it's a usually easiest and secure also.
So, do you think uh, any issues in this app you want to tell us that should be improved?
Yeah, if you added a navigation bar in this app, then app will be very easiest, and it will be most user friendly for your end user.
So, tell me that would you recommend this app for to your friends?
Yeah, I will recommend there for using this app.
Okay, so that's all for our interview today. Thank you, Majbin Mahbub, for your time.